What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error, how to fix the PS4 error CE-37813-2. It's an error about internet connection. So here you have an internet connection error. Here we are, just go to the settings. I'm going to share my screen, and here is a network and your PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error, a network problem. Your DNS is not working, our server is down. And if the server is down, then Sony will fix this up automatically. And if you have problem with the local network, you just forget the old one, connect the new one. You can use the LAN cable from your router to your PlayStation 4 is the best one settings, and it will be good from the Wi-Fi. So that's how you can fix this up. And if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.